Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Is Erkan finally reaching the point where love is no longer enough to protect Dikal? That question hangs over the latest Svedhigam Sensin episode from beginning to end. For the first time, Erkan does not look like a man with a plan. He looks like a man cornered. Farman's return turns every move into a trap. And even the professional side of Erkan's life starts collapsing when the investment meeting is cut short. In another story, that alone would be enough pressure. But here it is only half the problem. The larger, more painful struggle is Dikal. She is not just in danger physically, she is being attacked emotionally from every direction. She is manipulated, burdened with guilt, pushed back toward old fears, and forced to live under the same roof as the man who keeps turning her pain into the weapon. Erkan sees all of it, and that is exactly why his silence feels so tragic. He wants to protect her, but every decision costs him something. If he tells the truth, he risks blowing apart fragile balances that are already breaking. If he stays quiet, he leaves Dikal alone with lies that are poisoning her from inside. And that is what makes this version for Arakan so compelling. He is not weak. He is exhausted by impossible choices. The latest development prove that he is no longer fighting one enemy or one crisis. He is fighting a collapsing family structure, a dangerous manipulator, a ruined past, and a woman who loves who is slipping future into emotional darkness. Yet even then Erkan still moves toward Dikal, still tries to create safety around her, still makes decision for her happiness even when those choices may drag him closer to the secret with no returns. That is why this episode hurts. This shows that love can be brave and still be helpless. Erkan is trying to hold the world together with his bare hands, but the world around him has already started cracking. And if latest episode pushes him one step further, he may be forced to choose between protection Dickle's heart and exposing a truth that could destroy it. Viewers, like my video and subscribe my channel for more updates.